Hey guys, it's Coach with Shark. Today we're going to be learning how to make a ping pong game. First, let's create a new project. And first, I'm going to make the ping pong ball. I'm going to delete this. And make a white ball 22 by 22 with no outline. I'm just going to make it 23 by 23. And also we had to make a backdrop. So I'm going to quickly make it green background. I'm going to have it lighter. Okay. There. And now convert back to vector. I need to make some white lines. I'm gonna try 15. Oh, that's way too thin. I'm gonna double that to 30. Okay, switch it back to white. Yep, that's good. And is it about in the middle? Okay. And now we need to layer it over with a grayish square. There, I like that. Oops. Center this. Okay. A bit more. Okay. I'm gonna add a black line at 30. Move this one a little. Now, one more line at white. Well, 3 more lines. Okay, let me reposition them. There we go. Let me move this so it's touching the edge. Okay. Now we can actually go to the coding and let's code the ping pong ball. So first, when green flag is clicked, we want a forever. If we need a greater than if Y position is greater than 160, then we want to change score by 1. Next, we need to set up to false. Set up. False. And then duplicate that. And this is going to be switches around negative 160. And then we want to change computer score, computer score by 1, and set up to false. And when green flag is clicked, we also want to set up to false. To false. And now we want to also set computer score to 0 and score to 0. Go to 0, 0. And then point in direction 180. When green flag is clicked, forever, if setup equal true, we need if else. Then we want to move 10 steps. If not, you want to go to 0, 0, and then podcast. Countdown. Roll. And then when I receive countdown, say 3 for 1 second. Oh, and since it looks like the ball is through, that I'm maybe like barely grayish. Okay. Duplicate, 2, and then 1, and then we want to set up to true. And after that, when green flag is clicked, forever, if touching play. We'll change this later. Point in direction. Pick random. Negative 45 to 45. And then pick random. So this is going to be 135. And 225. And now let's create the players. So first, we want to make a circle. and then add a black stick on the bottom. And then you can just duplicate this and then change this one to, I'm making it blue. And then we can set this to sprite 2 and this one to sprite 3. And now time to code these. When green flag is clicked, set Y to -100, -100. Forever set X to mouse X. Set X to mouse X. And then when you go to the computer, when green flag is clicked, glide, pick random from 0 to 0.5, forever, and then Y at 150, and then X position of ping pong ball. So our ping pong ball is sprite 1. X. Let's try. Okay. Let's see what happened. Oh wait. Oopsies. Set up. False. Set it to true. Now receive countdown. What does this say? 3. Why is it not? Oh wait, oops. Oh, I see. This is supposed to be broadcast in a wait. 3, 2, 1. As you see, the computer is getting some competition. And as you see, I scored. And I can hide my setup. And then our score here. Computer score here. Okay, there. And that is how you make ping pong and scratch.